Not recorded?
No, there wasn't anything before. Now there is. It was saving. He asked if it's saved. So yes, it worked.
Okay.
And it's working right now.
If it did, that would
That would be so uncomfortable. Okay. So. This one is the same. So you just write it down again. And take your derivative down. There you go. I think that's all the special ones you need. One more. Take the derivative of that.
Because it was 4x.
Oh,
It would be on the power of y. Right? Is that what you're looking at? Right.
Yeah, so. You just write it down and take the derivative outside on the inside. Okay? You guys get it right? You just write it down again, and then take the derivative x away. 2x.
Sure.
Do we need another one of those? Oh, you're not gonna like this. Let's like apply all of it in one. Ha. So, chain rule it first. Or sorry, do that whole like outside one first. So sine e to the 2x would then become cosine e to the 2x. Then take the derivative of e to the 2x, which is what? E to the 2x times.
Oh wait, because it's 2.
I think we could have done that one.
Could you have done that one?
Yeah.
That was a crazy one. I even was like, okay. That's like as hard as it'll ever get
Those are
for
fun.
derivatives.
I like those.
Do you leave it as that or do some?
I
Just leave it?
I'll leave it. Maybe bring the 2 to the front. Oh, maybe look cuter.
Would you like to square it?
Okay, so that's like as hard as it gets. Let's, I wonder if there's like, I want more like physical problems I can do with you on these, but I guess we're doing those tomorrow night. Let's learn integrals. We'll do integrals more than derivatives.
Here we go. I'm gonna go here, because I like to present my thing.
Actually, before we do integrals, because that only took us 30 minutes,
We are.
so we're not gonna need the whole time, obviously, which would be nice. I'm gonna throw up like 5 problems so you practice, and you have to do them really quick, okay? So I'm gonna write some problems up here, and y'all just do them.
I have it. How did you forget? I had it. I just put it away. I don't have it with me right now.
Well, he's letting me be late from school. Just be like, I was sick too.
I'll just be like, I've had it at school. I just completely forgot. He literally won't.
He loves
Go.
that.
Do all those.
He won't let you. He
I'm
would
so
not just be like,
stressed
sorry,
out.
Jordan. Daddy.
Hey, then I could do senior teaching.
Focus. On cookie?
What are we doing right now?
So go cookies. No more cookies. I have like 3 left. Merit. Catch. Merit. I want cookie left. I want cookie. Oh, you're good? You got it?
Still got the cookie.
Hell yeah. Sorry. They're really good. Jessica made them.
Wait, are we doing derivatives again?
Did she give you one of the chocolates that had like a picture on it? Like she had these truffles that had like actual pictures on them. I gave you one of them.
Oh, was that during lunch?
That was during lunch, and I did this, and I was like, this is too beautiful of a chocolate to eat.
Yeah, it had like flowers.
I wrote it on a record.
Like, it was
So
like
pretty.
a flower, and I was like, this is too beautiful to eat. It's too beautiful.
Oh, it's just too pretty. Yeah, baby? What, baby?
I was gonna ask you to be like C Y or D.
Yeah.
I'm really stressed out. I can't believe I fucking forgot to do that. Oh my god. Because I had it done.
Yeah.
I did like,
Hell no.
it Hey, Miss Taylor.
Yeah,
Will you vouch for me if McManus yells at me tomorrow?
yeah.
Thanks.
For what?
Just whatever I ask.
Wait, what?
Just say that I had my application done, because I did it in your class. For ASB, I forgot to turn it in. So just say you watched me, like you saw it was done. Because I forgot to turn it in. I don't care.
I know you're on camera.
I honestly don't care. But just help me. SOS.
Yeah, where's your little, I didn't fill out a little ASB form for you, though, where I rate you.
You already did it. You have to do it again. They still have the ones we did for exec board stuff. So.
Okay.
Wait, I kind of want to go fill that.
It's gonna come.
Did you guys do this one yet?
Come on. Yeah.
Wait, we're doing 2.
I don't wanna go ahead.
Isn't that a negative sign? On
Oh, yeah.
boom, nailed it.
Whatever that is. Oh. So you guys get right? Is that crazy? I taught you derivatives in like 30 minutes.
Now I don't have to take math next year.
Yeah, why do you have to do math? Now we have integrals. Okay.
I got first one. I could do that one.
Okay.
I don't know. I almost crossed your mind today.
So you're really making that, sorry, one more thing. If I have an x-t graph that's like this, let's say this graph is t-squared graph. Again, what a derivative does is allows me to find an exact value for the slope at any location, an equation for it, and the value for it at a specific point. So like the derivative of this is 2t. So that would tell me that's my equation for the slope. The slope of that line has an equation of 2t. So then if they said, what is the speed? If they give you this graph and they tell you this, and then they say, what is the exact speed at 2 seconds? You can find it, which would be finding the slope at the time of 2 seconds. Cool? So that's the point of this. Because I wouldn't be able to take the slope of a graph that is changing with time without a derivative. Okay, next. Now let's learn integrals. Okay.
I need an piece of paper.
Yeah, I'm gonna.
Okay, if I had this graph here,
This is where I get a little.
a integral is, we call it an antiderivative. Instead of taking a slope, I'm taking the area. But they'll call them antiderivatives. So an integral, or they'll call it antiderivative, is taking the area under a graph. If the graph is linear, it's easy. So on this graph, I wouldn't have to take an integral. I can just go, okay, I'm going to find this area, and that's change in x. Because the line is constant. Okay. But if this line changes with time, let's say velocity time graph looks like this, finding the area under this requires integration. And what an integral does is breaks this up into really small little pieces and then adds all those really small little pieces up to get me an accurate area. What?
What did you just draw?
What did I just draw? They're supposed to be straight little pieces, but they look really shitty. Like I wanted to make little, like, you know what I mean? I'm taking little chunks of that area and then I'm adding up little chunks together. But my little chunks looked really nasty. I can't draw straight lines really well. There we go. That looks way better, right? And then just add them all up.
Why'd you just go straight line down? Why'd you have to make boxes?
Okay. I can take the integral though. Okay, so
We can't.
so if I like this, dx dt, I can actually bring this over, and I get that, to bring the dt over. And then if I integrate, the integral of 1 dx is just x, so we can see the integral of x is v. So if the derivative of x is v, then the integral of v is x. It's the antiderivative. So when you see this, you can always bring it over and switch the sides. So if the derivative of x is v, then the integral of v is x.
Where's the d go?
That's just
Say that again.
Where's the d go?
What?
It goes into the SE.
The s eats it, and
That thing in the D like is wow.
the integral of 1. Okay, so if the derivative of x, what's the derivative of x? Just 1, right? Because it'd be x to the 0. Go backwards. Then the integral of 1 is x with respect to x.
Sure.
So
Did you say so?
I feel like last time I did this.
Are you going backwards?
Yeah.
Where's the D go?
Yeah, we do.
Like, let's keep doing those like more examples. So you. So if f is du dx, then I can bring this over and integrate both sides, and then that's just u is integral of f dx. I'm just showing you how you can go from a derivative to an integral.
Is it a U or a V?
U.
Just ask.
Okay, let's just try stuff. Let's try. We're gonna try some stuff for yoga.
I don't know.
Okay.
It's on the video though. Thank God for the video.
Where are you laughing
Focus. Focus. You'll get it soon. Just yes. What? Undo? It's the opposite of a derivative.
So like it would be like taking
Like the Cardini?
Let's focus. Jordan, you can do this.
I'm crying.
This is more important. Integrals are the most important.
I saw it in a lot of the AP problems.
Yeah, a lot of integrals. So, the integrals, okay.
Sweating.
If the derivative of distance, so if a distance time graph, the derivative, I don't know what she's smelling, it's making me nervous. Don't you poop in my classroom.
Oh, dude, that would be the worst.
I do not want posy poop in here.
Would it be over?
If you
Clorox
got-
wipes.
Would it be over?
Especially because maybe T and vibe, I'm nervous. I see the waddle.
Get her out of here.
Yeah, take her outside.
Get her out.
Okay, we'll have a 5-minute break. This is BBC Vibe, it's kind of funny. She, I guess, wouldn't poop when I was gone. Like, I think she got so nervous when I left for my trip that she wouldn't go. My mom was freaking out. She's like, she hasn't pooped in like 4 days. Poor Bobo. She's a loyal dog. Okay, Sean, I'm gonna take our time. 5-minute break. 5-minute break, everyone.
It wasn't funny until you started dying. It was only funny because I imagined her like busting through the door, and she's so excited about math. She's bugs. Math. Have you met? Are you in Woods' class?
Yeah.
I don't get it.
What? She loves math.
Cool.
It makes